In this tutorial, we're gonna discuss about how to customize dock in Mac. To do so, go to settings. From settings, go to desktop and dock, and you can find this desktop and UI to customize the dock. Also, you can come here from here also. Uh, Look for the middle line here. Right click on dock settings. Will come to this page. From there you can increase the size of your dock or reduce the size. And this is for magnification. If you put it large and if you hover over these apps, you can look the magnification effect. Dock position on screen, you can put it on left, you can put it on right or left bottom. Minimized window animation, genie effect. Right now it is on genie effect. Uh, Look, it's a genie effect. Okay, and with the scale effect, it will come like this. I like genie effect. Window, minimize windows into application icon. Uh, if you do this, look, this will come to this dock position of America, and this is very good. Automatically hide and show it up. If you turn on this, it will go down, and when your mouse goes up, it will go down. Animate show indicators for open applications. If you turn on this, you will see the currently used apps and a dot position, and it is very useful to put it like this. Show suggestion and reset apps and dot. If you turn on this, you don't see the currently used app with an gap or with an particular line. If you put it, you can see the separate list. Now you can delete an app from delete delete or remove remove an app from this dock position. Also, to do this, suppose I don't want music, so what I'll do, options remove from dock. It will be removed. And if you want to add, suppose I want to add what suppose I want to add the co-pilot app. So what I'll do, I'll drag it and it will come to here.